aba bari gutambuka nabo muri baby, urabona ko n'ukuntu bagenda nta gihunga nta bwoba, ntabwo bamenya ko biga muri baby, utabaza wagira ngo biga nko muri P1 cyangwa muri top. aba muri kureba bambaye ku mitwe yabo nimba ari kuresoma neza handitseho ngo happy new year cyangwa se ngo umwaka mushya muhire, ibyo barabizi kundusha. ariko kandi ubutore mubabonana, ubudasa, ubumuntu batangiye kugira, burya ngo ntawe utoza ibyo atari byo, ibyo byose bafite aho babikomora. ahambere babikomora ni kuri twe ababyeyi, kuko ababyeyi nitwe ba mbere tubigisha burya. ariko kandi iyo bageze ku ishuri nabwo basanga ari ubwiza, kuva mu bwiza bajya mu bundi, bava ku ishuri bajya.
Good morning everyone. Here in front of you we have baby class members. There are 42, but some of the parents didn't bring them early. That's why you see us in front. We are very few. But being few doesn't mean that we are not going to talk. We are going to present everything we learned this term, but we shall speak. Those ones to write, you will see them in their files. You will check their reports after. May God bless you as you listen to us. Thank you. Hello, eh? Hello, eh? Good morning. Show your happy face to your parents. You show your happy face to your parents. Good morning. Speak more louder. Good morning. How are you? How do you feel? Good children. Good children. Hello children. Hello children. Apart. Apart. Together. Apart. Together. Apart together. Hello. Good children. Mommy in the kitchen. Go louder, please. Apart. We are going to sing a song. I am special. Are you special? I am special. Very special. A poem that is there. you very much. We learned many, but that is a few of what we learned this time. Thank you very much.